Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you and showing you how you can create your account on Upwork. Now, if you don't know, Upwork is actually a platform where you can get jobs online, all right? A platform where you can do remote jobs and get paid in dollars, right? So irrespective of whatever country you are watching this from, you can actually make money on Upwork and get paid to your account. So maybe you're a graphic designer and you are looking for extra ways to make money for yourself, or maybe you're a website designer, or you're a writer, or you know how to proofread, or you know how to design thumbnails, or maybe you know how to do something that can be a service to people outside or within your country. You can actually make money from Upwork. All right, all you need to do is to sign up on the platform and set up your account and make sure that you put yourself out there, and you can get hired by different companies, different individuals that are looking for that area of your skill. Okay, that skill of yours, I mean to say. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, I want to say welcome to my channel. I am very excited to have you. My name is Awajimam Isuto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. All right, so before I go into the video and show you how to do this, I need you to kindly do me a favor, because this is very important to me and it shows that you actually support what we are doing on this channel. So quickly, before I go into the video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. When you do that, it helps you to see my videos whenever I post new videos. All right, I believe you've done that, so kindly do it for me. If you haven't, do it for me right now. Thank you so much. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into the video. Let me show you how to create an account on Upwork. One thing you should know about Upwork is that Upwork takes some percentage from your money that you have made. Okay, when you make money on the platform, they take a percentage from the money you have made. Until you make money, they don't charge you. So you make money, they take a percentage out of what you made. And it's very very sweet to make money on this platform, because you are not just getting paid in your local currency, you're getting paid in dollars. So whatever country where you belong to, if you're watching this right now and you are from Nigeria, you can make money in dollars and then convert it to your currency, and that's good money for you. That's an advantage, because you work less, you earn more. In 24 hours, you have 24 hours of the day. You can work for 2 hours, you can work for 3 hours and get paid, and the payment is on hour basis. Okay, you're paid per hour. All right, that's the beautiful thing about Upwork. Okay, so let me quickly take you into my Google Chrome and show you how to sign up, all right, and create your account for yourself. So quickly, I'll on my data, I'll put on my data, and then I'll go to my Google Chrome and I'm going to search for Upwork. Okay, I'm going to search for Upwork. You go to upwork.com. all right, go to upwork.com. Now this is Upwork platform. All right, this is Upwork. This is what you're going to see on your dashboard. All right, on your smartphone, whether you're using a smartphone or a laptop, this is what you're going to see for the first time. So once you come here, look at what this is all about. This is a platform where you can work. All right, you can work with no cost to join. There is no cost to join. You can post job and you can get hired on the platform. But now the reason why I'm showing you this is that you want to make money here as a freelancer. Okay, let's say you are looking for jobs, you want to get hired, you want to make money here as a freelancer. Okay, so what you are going to do, you can see before I go into that, what you're seeing right now is the different jobs you can do here. You can work here, you can get hired as a developer, you can work here as somebody who can provide AI services, you can work here as a designer, or a creative person. You can work on Upwork as a sales and marketing person. You can even be a writer and do translation jobs on this platform. And there are so many things you can do on this platform. You can see the platform. You can see how beautiful the platform is. You can see why businesses turn to Upwork. There is quality. There is no cost to hire. It is safe and secure. So meaning that if you do a job here and you make money, your money is not going to be stolen. This is a secure website where you can actually get paid for doing your job. All right, so let's quickly go to sign up. For you to sign up now, what you're going to do is to come here and say get started. You can click on get started, or you can click on the sign up. All right, so I'll click on sign up now. I'll click on sign up, and then because I am not a company, right, because I want to make money as a freelancer, I'm going to click on the option of I am a freelancer looking for work. So you're going to click on that, and then you click on apply as a freelancer. So you click on the green button that says apply as a freelancer, and then I'll come here and say my name. I'll say my name. So I'll type it here. All right, our Gmam. No, our Gmam. So now the next thing is my email. I'll input my email, and the next thing I'll input a password. Okay, this email is already in use. All right, so I'll come here. I'll come here and input my password. All right, once I input my password, the next thing I'll do is to fix my country. You can see this is Nigeria. I'll come here and fix my country, and the next thing you come to, you can, if you want to be receiving emails, you click on send me helpful emails to find rewarding work and job leads. Then if you want this one, you have to click this one. Very important, you have to click it, and then you click on create account. Once you do that, you already have an account on Upwork. They're going to send you a link to your email telling you to verify. Right, they'll send you a link to your email telling you to verify that you are the one. You are going to have to click that email. So once you click that email, it will bring you back to the platform. Now at that point, you need to start setting up your account. Are you getting now? At that point, you need to set up your account. Now, why is it important for you to set up your account? It's important because if you set your account properly, it gives you a higher chance of being discovered. Are you getting this now? Very important. You need to put your picture, you need to put your details of whatever you're into, you need to put in your location and all of that. All right, that gives you a higher chance for people to trust you and give you a job and get you hired. All right, so this is how to sign up on Upwork. That is very simple step to do. If you got value from this video, kindly tap this video and subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. If you have questions for me concerning this, or you want to learn how do you actually get jobs on the platform, how do you navigate on the platform, there is a program that trains you on everything you need to do on Upwork to start making money for yourself from scratch. All right, there's a program for that. It is not free. If you want to have that program, if you want to get access to that program, just go to the link in the description. You're going to find a link there that will give you access to where you can learn more about how to start making money on Upwork, even if you have never made money on the internet before. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and please make sure you check the link in the description. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.